Hi friends, today it is 13/3/2022 and the time is 12:45 a.m. Okay, it's more or less 1 a.m. in the morning. Uh, okay, so now this is about how to select the stock much before and then how to write the stock. So we can definitely predict which stock is going to move on which month much period. Okay, so this can be identified by marking the important dates, important combination date, important past pattern, and all that. Then you can use your own technical indicator, oscillator system, whatever you like, price action, and you can write the trend by using your own methodology with a proper risk management in place. And then write the trend in whichever direction it gives, and then you can make money. But that particular date, you know, will decide everything. Will decide everything according to us. Okay, and you all know that in January month end, I've clearly made a video that whether metal index will do 20% upside after second week of March, or 24% downside after second week of February, or 24% downside on second week of February. As of now, exactly the date happened on 11th and 14th. You can go back and watch my metal index video separately. I put the metal index video. The 11th and 14th was the combination date, and from there it came down badly. Then it took the exact support from the earlier combination date and with the pitchfork bottom. And from there, you all know how it rocked. Even in this fall, it was moving only one side direction. So all this can be predicted much before. If you start watching the market very closely, all this will be given to you much before. Market will tell you all this. So, but you need to work a little harder to get all this. So now I'm going to talk about only the important dates for certain stocks, which is going to be very, very powerful in the coming days, right from the third week of March. And you all know that what happened in Nifty, that the first interchange date is happened on third. 12th, the second was the important trend change date, and then third we made the top. From there we came down, and the second date was 7th March. 7th March we made the exact bottom, and the third is coming tomorrow, which is 14th. And there is one more mega combination is happening in the month of March, where it is actually, according to me, it is 4 combination days, right from 20th. 20th is holiday, 21st and 22nd, and 23rd also is a big astro combination is happening. So 4 combination date it's going to be happening for Nifty, which will definitely decide the fate of Nifty, most probably even till December 2022. Let's watch what is going to happen next week. Mega combination on Nifty. You all know that mega date came on 20th December. Exactly, we made the bottom. And October 18th, when I made a video on October 17th, that be very, very careful on October 18th. October 19th, market topped out from 18,604, and you have seen roughly around 15,600, 400, 511. So all these can be predicted much before. And whatever I'm saying now, all these videos are available in my YouTube channel. You can go use it and you can see it. So now I'm going to talk about only stocks. And you all know that my stock of the month for this month is Cipla. Why I selected is only based on this. Chart comes later to me. First, date has to confirm me that it is going to do some magic. And how it will confirm? When there is a combination of dates in a particular month for a particular stock, it means it is going to explode one side. Okay, so many stocks will have dates, but when it is having a combination, date, it means it is very, very powerful. That's what I'm saying. When in Nifty, it is going to be a mega combination of 4 days, which is coming continuously. It means something big is going to happen. Very big is going to happen. Like that, the same in stocks also. So Cipla, this month it had a 3 trend change date, and I've told this before February, sorry, March starting itself. When I made the dates, I think I made the video on Cipla on March 2nd. I think you can go back and watch my video where I've clearly mentioned Cipla as having 3 dates combination. So it is going to bust to one side. It may be on the upper side or it may be on the lower side. Okay, but according to me, the date high and low is very, very crucial. And I've already made a lot of presentation. I've already given a lot of webinars on how to trade trend change date. So to my followers, as well as my Telegram followers, uh, I've already taught them how to trade trend change date on intraday as well as on positional and all that. So you can also use uh, that kind of a thing, and otherwise you can use your own technical analysis to put your stop loss and then ride the trend with the trailing stop loss on whatever. That's up to you. But according to me, my date is more than enough. I don't need to see the chart. My date high and low decides everything according to me, and that is what is happening. See, nobody even dreamt that Asian Paint is going to make a bottom on particular day. And this date I have told when the beginning of the March, that 8th high and low will be the game changer for Asian Paints. And exactly, Asian Paints made the bottom on 8th. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, so now I'm going to show the dates. Let's watch this. Just mark it in your diary, in your calendar, and just observe it. Just observe it. Okay. Let's go to dates. Okay, now. Okay, so if you go to earlier months, I have dates from so many months. So I'll go to December. So these are the dates for December. See, normally I'll have dates for stocks, and then I will take the combination. I will take the combination. If you take Deepak Fertilizer, it is combination 22 and 25. If you take Divi, it is only one date. It is not that kind of powerful, but Deepak Fertilizer is very, very powerful. You can go and check on Deepak Fertilizer what happened after 22nd and 25th. Okay, so from there where it went, and from there where it came down. Okay, so now you can go watch this high and low, put the high and low of this date and see what happened on Deepak Fertilizer. So like this, I will be having a lot of combinations dates. So I'll be working only on combination. So this is for the month of December, and this is combination dates for January. And something is very big is going to happen in Adani. Just watch, because January it had 2 combination date. This is Adani Enterprises, and Feb month we had 3 combination dates for Adani Port. This is going to explode one side big time, and it is already happening. It is already happening according to me. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, so now coming to March. So in March month, there are a lot of dates. Normally, I don't get these kind of dates. Normally the maximum number of individual stocks may come to roughly around 50 or 45, a maximum of 60. But this month it is nearly 147 stocks with a lot of combination. So now I am going to talk about only the combination stocks, not the individual stocks. So now let's go to the combination stocks. So now I've already marked the combination stocks in colors, where if the stock is having 2 combination date on the same day, please understand, 2 combination date, 2 dates, and the 2 dates is having the same date, it means you can expect big move. Okay, so let's go to Aarti Industries. Aarti Industries having, see what is yellow color date? Yellow color date is very, 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 very powerful when compared to normal dark yellow, and there is something called light yellow also. The light yellow is yearly. If you go year, okay, Cipla is having a yearly date on 26th March. Emphasis having a yearly date on 27th March. This is plain yellow. This is dark yellow. See, I made color for you to understand. I know what is inside. Why it is blue color? Why it is light yellow? Why it is dark yellow? Why it is green? All that that's my workout. So now just listen to this. Aarti Industries is having 2 combination dates on the same day. It is having two dates on March 22nd. So just mark the high and low of March 22nd of Aarti Industries. What's the magic? Then Ashok Leyland, 24th, two combination day, 24 and 24. And then go to another yellow color, which is HDFC. HDFC is having combination date on 23rd. Two combination days, 23rd. ICICI Bank. Maybe this is one day later. Maybe I can change this color to green. Okay. So now another yellow is you have here Persistent Systems. It is having no, even Persistent System is green because this is not a combination, same combination. Okay, now what's this? United Spirits having combination date on the same day, which is 24. So what's this guy on 24? UPL, what's this guy on 22nd? Combination, same day. Whirlpool, combination, 23rd. Watch this guy. And coming to green, this green color is the combination date is having next day, 22nd and 23rd. And if you go to Canara Bank, it is 22nd and 23rd. Tata Motors, 22nd and 23rd. And SRF, 23rd and 24th. Okay. And Persistent System, 22 and 23. 22 and 23. Okay. And then ICICI Bank, 22 and 23. Then comes to FSL, First Source, 23 and 22. Okay. Then come to Aurobindo Pharma, 22 and 24, more or less one day. Okay, maybe you can keep this as the last part. Aurobindo Pharma is the last part. But whatever I said, the immediate combination date. See, first, the mega combination is when you have 3 dates in a month. I'm going to come to that later. The second thing is when you have 2 combination date on the same day. Okay, that I've already marked in yellow. I've already shown you. And these green color are one day later. One day, 22nd March, 23rd March, or 24th March, 25th March, like that. So I've already given you the stocks for this green color, which is having 22nd and 24th, or this you can take it. First Source, 23 and 22. 23 and 22. Okay, now I'm going to the important, very important. Why Cipla busted? Because of this it is busted. Because it is having 3 combination dates. And I've already talked about Cipla on March 1st night. You can go and watch my video. I've clearly explained this, that Cipla is having 3 combination dates. So something big is going to happen. Very big is going to happen. And as of now, Pharma is already one date has happened and another date is coming in the second week. Once that comes, then I will make a video on Nifty Pharma. So now, before that itself, Pharma started showing something. And believe me, tomorrow there are more than 5 big pharma companies having their major trade change date. Cipla is exceptional because it is having 3 combination date. And Aurobindo Pharma is having 2. Biocon is having 2. If these companies are having, Glenmark is having 2. So Dr. Reddy is having 2. So some miracle is going to happen in pharma. Watch it out. Okay. So for me, my stock of the month is Cipla. And why? Because it is having 3 combination dates. And the dates are 12, 23rd, and 26th. Not even the first date is started. Okay. So we need to watch all these dates, high and low. Watch it. First one is Cipla. Second one is GMR. 12, 24, and 14. And third one, which I'm looking out, is Tata Chem. Why Tata Chem is very special? Third is date, already moved up. And the second 2 dates are again a combination date, which is 23rd and 23rd. Watch this guy on 23rd. Some big may happen. Okay. So I've already thought how to trade trend change date. Kindly use the logic. Don't go overboard. I've told you how to trade trend change date on intraday. What are the parameters you need to see? Then you use your indicator. I've already told you the parameters to work out. And I've already explained you, taught you how to trade trend change date on positional format also. Kindly apply it. Don't go overboard. Market is not looking that great. Please use your stop loss, use your technical tools to be with the trend, whichever side it goes. Use the trailing stop loss to catch the trend. Once the stop loss get hit, kindly exit. This is my humble request. So I am giving you all the stocks without seeing any graph. This is more than enough for me. Then I will go to the graph. Then I will see whether it is taking a support at EMA, SMA, pitchfork, whatever, right? Trend line and whatever. So all that you do, but I've given the stock now. Watch it from here. You will be literally amazed to see this. Okay, so I'm yet to make Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly forecast video. I'll try to finish it now because tomorrow I have a lot of webinars. So I'll try to finish it tonight. So hope this video will be very, very, interesting to you. Let's watch. If you make money out of this dates, I'll be very happy. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so consult your financial advisors before investing in anything and everything. Thank you. According to me, it is good morning. Bye.